So this particular question says simplify each expression. Let me first say something. When you are required to simplify an expression, basically what it means is to reduce it to the least possible expression you can have. It could even be reduced to a term. So let's go straight to the solution. So for a, we have 1 over 3m. So 1 over 3m, actually, if I say 1 over 3m, I can write it as 1 over 3 times m over 1, which is same thing like saying m over 3. So 1 over 3m can be written as m over 3. Then we have minus 4n, right? Then plus, this is a mixed fraction. If you check the lecture under fraction and approximation, I explain how to take mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. So this will give us 8 over what's 3. So this is basically 8m over 3 in reality. So the next thing we need to do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. So what are the like terms here? This and this. So we have what? M over 3 plus what? 8m over 3. Then this one will return as minus 4n. So all of them are moving with their sign. So if you notice this side, they have the same denominator. So it implies that we can add the numerator together. Or perhaps somebody wants us to find the LCM. So if I find the LCM is 3. So 3 in 3, 1 times m, that is m, plus 3 in 3, 1 times 8m, that is 8m. So then minus what? 4n. So m plus 8m, that will give us, m in this case is like saying 1m. 1m plus 8m, that will give us what? 9m over 3 minus what? 4n. So 3 here, 1, 3 in 9, that is 3. So the final answer will be what? 3m minus what? 4n. So that is how we got that answer for A. Then for B, so let me use this space for B. For B, we have what? 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 into bracket x raised to power 3 plus 3x. Okay, so how do we simplify this? Now, if I want to rewrite this, I can write it as 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 multiplied by what? X raised to power 3 plus 3x. So in this case, we are using the distributive property of algebraic expression. We are going to be using minus 2 to open this bracket. So this one still remains 4x raised to power 3 minus 2 times s cubed. That will give us minus 2 what? X cubed. Then minus times plus, that is what? Minus, right? 2 times 3x, that will give us what? 6x. So if you look at this and this, they are like terms. So 4s cubed minus 2s cubed will give us what? 2s cubed. Then minus what? Minus 6x. So that is how we got 2s cubed minus what? 6x. So that is that, about that. So this is the simplified form. However, we can still factor. This is a very good answer, but we can still solve it further. How do I know? We can use 2 and 6, 2x, and we can use 2x to factor the whole of this expression. How do I mean? 2 can still be brought out. Then there's x here. We have x. So what we can have else in the bracket will give us what? X squared, right? Then minus what? Minus 3. How do I mean? 2x times x squared, that is 2s cubed. 2x times minus 3, that will give us minus 6x. So these are the two possible simplified solutions you can have for this. Then for the third question, so the third question says A. So okay, let me come to this side so that I won't lose the question. We have what? A into bracket 2 minus b, then minus 2 into bracket a minus what? B. Now one thing you should know is that we still use distributive property to open this bracket. A times 2, that will give us 2a. A times minus b, that is minus what? Ab. Then minus 2 times a, that is minus 2a. Then minus times minus, that is plus. 2 times b, that is what? 2b. So the next thing is what? We collect what? Like terms. So if you collect like terms, we have 2a minus what? 2a. Then what we have left is what? Minus ab, right, plus what? 2b. 2a minus 2a, they cancel out. Then we have what? Minus ab plus what? 2b. So if we have minus ab plus 2b, we can rearrange it to give us what? 2b minus what? ab. So this and this are both, correct for this particular simplified algebraic expression. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next example. Bye bye.